Hi, Jody Dave here. We'll call this upgrade 6 because I've done the week 1. Down the day, just doing a little bit burning. Not much done from when we've been down the last couple of days, but I'll give you a quick show around. We'll have the strawberry bed up there and next to the rhubarb bed. Down here, this is all covered ready to lift up in the spring. The onion bed's down there. And around as is towards the hut, as you can see, I've got a big bin there which I've been burning stuff today. Basically that's all I've been doing. It's been trying to get some of this wood burnt, and that's all. So that's me update for today, and I will do another update next Monday. So please subscribe and hit the like button. Goodbye from now.